Alright, hello friends. Today's project, sway bar end links. This was on the other side. As you can see, they're ripped and torn. So I'm going to replace it. I bought a set, so one on each side. And this is what I'm going to be replacing it with. This guy. So I'm going to try it out. Okay. So there's the top of the end link there. I believe the top is a 14, and then you have to stick a Allen inside the middle to release that nut. And then also at the bottom, you see there, that's like a 12 right there. So I gotta release that too. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is get this 12 out from the bottom. Now I'm putting a wrench up top here. It's a 14 on the stabilizer link, so it doesn't move while I turn this or get this loose. Okay, so there's the bottom portion. Make sure you get the middle piece with it, and it's not. So now we gotta get the top out. All right, get yourself an Allen. Okay, stick it right in the middle there. Actually, let me put the wrench on there first. And then I'll put the Allen inside. Okay. Let's go ahead and get her loose. Okay. Just push it out. And there it is. So this side doesn't seem to be in bad shape. Actually feels okay. It was just the other side that was. This is on the passenger side. See, it's all ripped, torn. So yeah, there. Okay, now note with these rubber pieces, there is a little section right here where it's raised. That's gonna go facing the metal side. Okay, so if you look, both on top and bottom, one groove will go in there, and the other side would go on the bottom like a sandwich. Okay, get your new piece ready. So try to go OEM if you can, if you got the money. In this case, I don't have the money. I'm on a budget, but I need to get this fixed. So take this bottom plate out. Now it's probably a good idea to put just a little bit of silicone grease on these bushings on both ends, just a light coat. Okay, you don't have to put too much. Now you notice on these aftermarket ones, it doesn't have the little groove that I was telling you about that goes into the hole. So these can be mounted either way. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this into position. Clean this up a little bit. Bottom. Just a little coat on each side. Okay. Get this into position. Put the top one in first. Okay, I get the nut on there and just get it down tight. We're gonna torque it down later, but this is 22 foot-pounds, and then the one on the bottom is 16 foot-pounds. Okay, but for now we're just gonna get it on. Okay, for now, let's move this, make sure this is straight. Okay, now we gotta do the bottom. Now, as you can tell, the nut down below, you don't have enough threads. So what you're gonna have to do, or what I'm gonna have to do, is lift the lower control arm of the jack from this position here so that I can get closer or more threads. Okay. Let's get the light back down here. Put the plate on there, then your nut, and just get it started. Okay. Okay. I think that's enough. Let's take a look on top. I said don't tighten all the way yet. Let's see. Go ahead. Torque this one to 22 pounds. Okay. Now time to get to the bottom, but make sure you have a wrench here. Let me see. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, so that when you're tightening it, this the back part doesn't spin on you, doesn't damage it. So let me see. Get this into position. Now the bottom one here, 16 pounds. Okay. Okay, that's 16 pounds there. Now you gotta straighten this out. Let's see. Right there, yeah. See that? Just get your wrench, straighten it out a little bit, and that should be it right there. So, check your bolts, 22 pounds, 16 at the bottom. Alright friends, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully if this video helped you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe.